End screen can be added to the last 5 to 15 seconds of your video. You can use it to get more subscribers, and you can use it to promote your other videos. So guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to add end screen to your YouTube video. So we mainly use it to encourage viewers to watch our other videos. So guys, if this looks like what you are interested in, keep watching. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to click on the Google Chrome. We're going to search for youtube.com desktop. Then you click on search, and then you click on sign in Google account. So I'll just click on this one here. So you click on continue to studio. So guys, this is the YouTube Studio desktop site, and this is where you can find more information concerning your YouTube channel. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click on the content icon here. It's at the left hand side. So just click on it, the second one here, click on it, and it will bring all your YouTube videos that you've done. So this is the content, channel content. So these are all your videos. If you want to check for your short, you click on short. But for this tutorial, I want to add end screen to my YouTube video. So I will just look for a video that doesn't have end screen, and I'll add an end screen to it. So I'll just click on this easiest way to make money online. So I'll click on it, and then you can always use your hands to control it because the write-up looks so small. So you can always use your hand to make it bigger and smaller, like this, just like this. So immediately you click on the content, that is the video, then just move over to the second side of the screen, that is the right hand side, and you'll see visibility, then subtitle, end screen, and card. If you want to add cards to your video, you are very free, you can do it here, end screen. But for this tutorial, I am showing you how to add end screen. So you click on end screen, click on it, and just wait for it to open. So guys, here we are. These are our element end screen. So you select the particular one you want. The first one here is import from latest video. So when you click on it, your last 2 videos, they will just add it for you as your end screen. Then this one is one video, one subscribe. So anyone, just select the one of your choice. Then if you check this particular one playlist, if you have playlist on your channel, you can click on this one, and one subscribe. So when you put one subscribe, once your viewer click on it, they will be able to subscribe to your channel. So this other one is 2 videos, this one is 1 video, 1 playlist, 1 subscribe. So just select the one you want. Guys, for this tutorial I'll be working with 2 videos. Yes, I'll just click on it. I'll just move over to this second side. So after clicking on the on the particular end screen you want, you will see some options here. It says best for viewer. Allow YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewers. So it depends on you, the one you want. Then the last one here says choose specific video. Select from your videos or from any. So I'm the one choosing my end screen. I will choose myself, you understand. So the first one here says most recent upload. So maybe your last 2 upload, YouTube can just select it and fix it for you as end screen. So for this tutorial, I'm going to choose specific video for my end screen. So I'll just click on it. It will bring me to where I have my videos. Do you understand? So I'm going to choose the 2 videos that I want to use as my end screen. So first of all, I'll just choose one first. So let me choose how to remove background noise from your YouTube video. Click on it, so it will just come to this place straight. Do you understand? So if you check it now, you'll see it here. The end screen is already here. This is it. So for the second one, I'll just click on the box and then swipe to the other side and choose the same option. That is, I'm choosing my video myself. Click on it and then come back here to select any video you want. So I will click on how to get copyright free music. Guys, this is it. Can you see this? So our end screen is ready. You can also adjust it if it's too close to your face. Just use your hands to adjust. The same thing for this. Do you understand? So this is how it will appear when your viewers are watching your video. So guys, I hope you found this helpful. Click on save. Don't forget to save it. Guys, that is that for it. We have already set our end screen for this video. So before you leave this site, do well to log out. Click on your photo at the right hand side of your phone, then click on sign out, and then you are done. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you will be the first person to get notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.